Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we will be creating a fun handmade pickleball card because who doesn't like a little pickleball fun? Let's get started. I'm going to slide in the supplies that we will be using for today's pickleball card. So let's start with the foundation of the card. We will be using the base, which is 110-pound cardstock. And this is a 5x7 and 5x7 card. And that is an A7 card stamped on the back. Then I have the base of the card. And then also a coordinating outer envelope. When I'm, and let me not forget the sentiment. And today's sentiment will be, hope your day is a winner. And I also have the beautiful daisy that will be on the card as well. So let's sit that off to the side. And for the embellishments, I am using some of the Le Petites that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. And I have various bows. And I've also have some other, they're like a suede bows in two different colors of pink to coordinate with the pickleball paddle. So these let me see here. Can't pick them up right now, but you can see the bows and how they coordinate with the pickleball paddle. I will be using my hot glue gun as well as my liquid Tombow glue. The hot glue gun is here. And I will be using the hot glue when needed. And I did pull out an extra glue stick because you never know. My reverse tweezers. And also I have my scissors and my double-side adhesive tape runner. So we will, that's all the supplies, to start off the base of the card. So we can begin to start building the card, starting with the base. And then we will put on the mat next. So we'll use the tape runner. And we'll just go ahead and add the adhesive. So I just want to make sure I get those edges down. So the base of the card is 110-pound cardstock. However, the mat here, that mat is just 65 pounds. So then I would go ahead, and this is, I just want to turn it to the side. So I'll go ahead, lay the base down. So I have the base, and the card will open this way. So what I'm doing is, so I am preparing for an upcoming craft show. However, the cards, if anyone, wants to purchase them, the cards are available. But I am preparing for an upcoming craft show, which will be held here at the My Public television station. And that's for November the 8th. So, you have to, when you're doing the shows, you really have to get yourself ready ahead of time. And I have a full schedule already. So I figure let's start doing some of the things that I love to do, and let's get them done so that when it's time for the craft show, I'm not rushing around. So, hopefully. So, I wanted to go ahead and I put down one of the pickleballs. So, I have the daisy here, and then I'm going to put the bowls in the pickleball paddle kind of flowing out of the daisy. So we have some of the bows here, and I like to set the bows first before I actually push them down, because you never know. So I'm just going to, let me see. I'm going to try and get that beautiful placement. And I'll take more pickleballs, paddles, and kind of put them, you know, strategically placing them. That's all I'm doing. No particular, you know, direction. They're just going to be as if they're blowing out of the daisy. So I just want to use up as much space as I possibly can, and don't allow the pickleballs to go off of the card, because I don't want it to flow off. So of bows and a pickleball. So let me go ahead. It's like, oh, okay. So I have the daisy here. And of course, for the sake of time, I did cut this out, because I use this daisy a lot. And I cut it out and kind of put the center together prior to the live video. And now we will go ahead and add the sentiment. And this little, the Tombow glue, it dries clear. And that's a good thing, that it dries clear. So we'll go ahead and place the Tombow liquid glue onto, yes. So it looks like I've only had to use the hot glue gun just the one time. And then we will go ahead and place the sentiment. And I typically do a 1-inch banner of the sentiment. And the width of it, the height is 1 inch, and the width is the size of the card that you're making. So this is a 5-inch sentiment. So it's 1 inch in height, and then the width is 5 inches. So we're going to go ahead and move some of these things out of the way, because now we are almost done. And I have the coordinating envelope, because when I insert everything into the plastic sleeve before it leaves for sale, then let me see here. Yes, before it leaves, I'll go ahead and, you know, sleeve it up so that everyone's not touching the card. So, what do you think so far? So, I really love the concept of this pickleball daisy design, and the flowing pickleballs and bows kind of gives you that playful, sporty vibe to the card. So I'm excited about it. And it didn't take much as far as the supplies that we used. And I really like, let me see here. I really like making the 5x7 card because you have like a lot more real estate. And when I say real estate, I mean space to kind of like design. You have a lot more design space. So what I did is prior to this recording, I love to make many of the cards simply because I'm trying to mass produce them in a way leading up to the craft show. So I'm going to go ahead and bring in the others. So here we go. We have quite a few of the cards, and we can go ahead and kind of go over them and what they say, because I did try to change up the sentiment, and then you'll see some of the other ones may in fact repeat. So this one says serving up gratitude, and you can use these cards for all occasions. No specific. It's just an inspirational card, and you can write your message inside. So here we have serving up gratitude. And I'll put that to the side. You're the real MVP. Oh my goodness. And this is the one we did today. Hope your day is a winner. Friendship is a perfect match. Isn't that nice? Oh, I love it. And then here we have pickleball, anyone? Then we have you're a real deal. And then here's the one that repeated. And I lost my bow. And this one says pickleball, anyone as well. So we are going to, I knocked that off by mistake. So we'll put some glue under there and let that dry. Pickleball, anyone? It's such a fun game, and now it's also a fun handmade card idea. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative projects. A card in the mail is like a hug. Thanks for watching.